Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can play videos which have the format .avi on your iPhone. So let's begin the video. Here you can see I have the video which has the format .avi and it is currently present in my files application. If I open and play it, it will not run it. You will see the file name, its format and the total size. So by default iPhone cannot play videos which have the format .avi. So in order to solve this issue, you're going to go back and you're going to open the App Store. You're going to search for VLC Media Player and you're going to download and install this free application. Now you're going to again open the folder where your AVI video is present. In my case it is present in the files application. So now you're going to click on the three dots, select that video file. On the bottom click on share and here you will see VLC. If you do not see it right here, go to the very right, click on more and you will see the VLC option. Anyways, just select it and it will immediately start playing your video which has the format .avi. You can also change the brightness and volume as well. So yeah guys, this is how simple it is to play AVI videos on your iPhone. If you guys like this video, make sure to like it. If you have any questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and as always, stay safe.